Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Rule 23, which is power-driven vessels underway. Paragraph A. A power-driven vessel under shall exhibit a masthead light forward, a second masthead light abaft, off, and higher than the forward one, except that a vessel of less than 50 meters in length shall not be obliged to exhibit such light but may do so. Side lights, stern lights. So let's watch this example.
Of course, they're going to show that masthead light forward, the second masthead light, which is going to be aft and higher than that first one, side lights, and a stern light. If we look at the side profile of the ship, of course it's going to be nighttime, so we wouldn't see it, so I'll just overlay this with a blank screen. We're going to see again that masthead light forward, the second masthead light abaft and higher, and then side lights. If we go back to the top-down view, we can see the angle that we're looking at the ship. And from here you can see that you can only actually see that forward masthead light, the second masthead light, and the side light. The stern light isn't visible. But if we move the camera around to this kind of angle, then suddenly we can see the stern light, but none of the others. So of course at night it would just look like this, it would just be a single white light visible. Of course that single white light could indicate a lot of things, but in this example it's indicating the stern light of a power-driven vessel.
B. An air cushion vessel when operating in the non-displacement mode shall, in the addition to the light prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit an all-around flashing yellow light. Let's watch these another example.
It's fine, all you need to remember here is that hovercraft will be showing a flashing yellow light.
Paragraph C. A weak craft only when taking off, landing and in flight near the surface shall, in the addition to the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit high intensity all-around flashing red light. Paragraph D talks about a power-driven vessel of less than 20 meters in length may, in lieu to the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit an all-around white light and side lights. So let us watch this video.
See, all that we've done here is taken these lights that are visible for a ship of less than 50 meters, and we've combined that masthead light and the stern light into a single all-round white light.
Second paragraph. A power-driven vessel less than 7 meters in length, whose maximum speed does not exceed 7 knots, may, in lieu of the lights prescribed in paragraph A of this rule, exhibit an all-around white light and shall, if practicable, also exhibit side lights. So let's watch these another example.
Right. And if possible, side lights. So you know, if you're less than 7 meters, less than 7 knots, you may only be showing a single all-round white light.
Paragraph C, third paragraph. The masthead light or all-round white light in a power-driven vessel of less than 12 meters in length may be displaced from fore and aft centerline of the vessel, if centerline fitting is not practicable, provided that the side lights are combined in one lantern, which shall be carried on the fore and aft centerline to the vessel or located nearly as practicable in the same fore and aft line as the masthead light or all-around white light. And that brings us to the end of Rule 23.